Wild lettuce has been used as a pain reliever and a treatment for anxiety, arthritis, cancer, respiratory conditions, or insomnia for hundreds of years. Wild lettuce does contain medicinal compounds that act on the central nervous system to produce pain-relieving and sedative effects, and that's why it's been called opium lettuce. However, there is no scientific research to support its use to treat the other mentioned conditions. Older plants, especially those just beginning to bloom, have higher concentrations of the white sap, which contains the beneficial substances. The leaves can be eaten raw or cooked like spinach, but they are very bitter, and it's best to use them to make a tincture to make full use of its medicinal compound. To make the tincture, you'll need vodka or other 80-proof alcohol and fresh or dried wild lettuce leaves. If using dry leaves, use 2 ounces per 1 cup of alcohol. Fill a clean glass jar with chopped fresh leaves and cover them with the alcohol. Move the jar to a cool, dark place and let it steep for 3 to 4 weeks, shaking the contents daily. After that, strain the herbs. You can store the tincture for up to 5 years. It's important to know that some people, especially those with a latex allergy, may experience skin irritation when the sap is applied to the skin. There have also been reported some side effects after consuming large quantities of raw wild lettuce.